Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So a bit of a weird week on the DAX. We still have its diversions in play, and not a really strong move beyond the structure. But just switching to the week, bear in mind, there it is there. It is a fairly strong level. If we keep with this weekly close above here, I would expect us to move on to the next level, which is going to be there, and then obviously the all-time highs. So very typical of price action at the moment. You've got strong resistance to the left-hand side, so price does try to respect it as best as possible. Now, 3 hour for this week has been chaos. If you look at the Dow Jones is really looking good for some breakouts to the upside, some further upside. But if you look at this is not something I want to be trading. We are ranging. We've got a lot of sellers coming in off the top here trying to drive us down. But the bulls are defending. They're defending at 15,692. So that level is still very much in play. And I would pay attention to it, because if you do start dropping below it, you're looking for opportunities to move to the downside. So as we said yesterday. Now, yesterday, all over the place, barbed wire for a large portion of the day, specifically during the European trading session, and then going into the close, we had this big rally. Tech stocks rallied quite hard, and see very gappy to the upside as well. If you look at the 15 minutes from a European perspective, just all over the place inside the moving averages. Now, look at the oscillators again. I would be paying attention to a few levels here. So looking at 15,776 and 15,783, there is an opportunity here for a buy, but I think it's going to be a little bit volatile, to say the least. This could be a breakout. It's basically what we're pointing to, and you're looking at a fairly wide stop loss of, I would just drop it below the swing low here. So coming into there to there, you're looking at about 140 point stop loss, and then I would aim for 140 point gain to start with. Sorry, I just want to swing left quickly. Let's see, I have to go quite far left. I just want to see where the next bit of structure is. So you can see we are hovering here in structure. So the next logical bit, and then something like that, and then probably something like that. So it's going to make the chart noisy, but it does give you an indication of what's going on. You can see we've already tested this area here. So come back to 15 minutes. If you're looking to buy off the structure, pay attention to these gaps, because you could drop a bit lower, but your target areas are going to be 15,836 and 15,867 for today. That's kind of what we're looking at. Yeah, that's kind of the view I've got at the moment. It is onwards and upwards, but it is just looking a little bit tired. If you look at the hour, we've got a pretty strong grouping here. Look at the 3 hour, not quite grouped yet, but it's there. And then we've got diversions on the 8 hour, which is a bit of a concern. But the thing is, this, if we get into an uptrend, it can stay like this for months and on a time. So yeah, it is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Lots of resistance to the left, so you're expecting that kind of volatility. Once you regain those previous highs, you come back and you find support there, then it just opens up a whole new ball game, and then we enter into a fairly strong trend that we'll be able to trade in the medium term. But anyway, for short term, still looking to buy off structure and take it from there. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend.